How to log in to Starbucks employee account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to log into Starbucks employee account, open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for www.starbucks.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Starbucks. Here, tap on the sign in option you see on the top right. In the interface that you will be led to, enter your login credentials, that is your username or email address and your password. Also, if you want the device to remember your login details, select the Keep Me Signed In checkbox and now go ahead and tap on the Sign In button, and with this you will be logged into Starbucks. Just in case if you have forgotten your username or password, you can always go ahead and tap on the Forgot Your Username or Password option and recover your account login credentials. Lastly, if you do not have an account yet, you can scroll down and tap on the Join Now option and get started with Starbucks online account by entering your login details. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.